We are CRS, Comprehensive Retail Solutions, providing business solutions since 1965, offering Micros Hospitality POS Systems, Casio, Store Next, i3DVR International, SAM4S, Osprey Retail Systems for general merchandise retailers, Arm Electronic CCTV Systems, Store Next POS for independent store owners. We offer service and sales of POS systems. Businesses come to CRS for free 24/7 phone support, free loaner equipment, reduced rate on-site after-hours calls, budgeted maintenance and support expense, capped cost benefit, preventative maintenance inspections and upgrades. CRS, serving all of Southwest Michigan and Northern Indiana, providing business solutions since 1965.